Okay, we're going to work on your grammar workbook, page 60, lesson 4.5, regular and irregular verbs. It will be handy to have your textbook open at the same time to page 82 so you can see the different forms of the irregular verbs at the same time while you're trying to fill out this chart. Okay, so we're going to fill out this chart, and one thing you have to remember when adding ing, which is the present participle, is if the word ends in a silent E, you'll have to get rid of the silent E before you add ing, and in some cases you'll have to double the consonant when you add ing. So we're going to do this whole chart together. All right, so let's start with give. In the present, I give. The present participle would be I am giving. So you would write giving, but remember not to put the E. Drop the E and add ing. And the past, yesterday I gave. And then for the participle, it would be given, the past participle. So that would be like, I have given something in the past. All right, number 2, so our present participle is flying, so we know the present is fly. Today I fly, I am flying. Yesterday I flew, okay? So that's an irregular. And in the past, I have flown. Okay, again, all of these are also on page 82 of your grammar textbook. All right, this one is begun. So begun in the present would be begin. So we're going to write begin. I begin. And then for the present participle, we're going to write beginning. But remember, you have to double the consonant. So I am beginning. I am beginning to understand irregular verbs. And the past, yesterday, I began. All right. And number 4 is put. And put is easy because it's just put. Okay. So put, I am putting. Yesterday I put, and in the past I put. Okay, and number 5 is sung, so the present is sing. The present participle has the ing, so that's singing. I am singing. Yesterday I sang. And then in the past, I have sung. Okay, the last one is did. So the present for that is do. Today I do my homework. I am doing my homework. Yesterday I did. And then in the past, I have done. Okay. In this next section, the directions say, write whether each underlined verb is regular or irregular, but they forgot to underline the verbs, so we're going to do that first. So in number 7, Kathy sang her favorite song. Please underline sang. Number 8, Andre and I painted the chairs blue. Please underline painted. Number 9, the baby bird flew from the nest. Underline flew. The doctor helped the sick boy. Underline helped. Our class wrote a letter to students in Mexico. Underline wrote. Who told you about this restaurant? Underline told. We laughed at Sally's silly joke. Underline laughed. Now, I'm going to have you do these on your own. And so the directions are: write whether each underlined verb is regular or irregular. Remember that regular verbs end in D or ED, and irregular verbs do not. If you want to, you can abbreviate and write R for regular or I for irregular. Okay, so you're going to do that part on your own, and then this next section, the directions are: circle the word that correctly completes each sentence. So you'll read the sentence and figure out which one makes sense, or also which one is spelled correctly. So we'll do a couple of these together. I think we'll do number 14 and number 18 together. So number 14 says, I felled or felt the earthquake yesterday. So you have to ask yourself which one is correct. So felt is correct. Okay? Please do 15, 16, 17 on your own, and right now we'll do 18, because 18 is basically a spelling issue. So number 18 says, the boy tripped with an ED or tripped with a T over his shoelace. So the correct spelling of tripped is with the ED. And you can do the rest on your own, and then we'll go over them next time we have a meeting.